Hello everyone, today's video we are unboxing this parcel. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start. So inside we have another package. So let's quickly open this also. So inside we have another package. So let's open this also. And inside what we have is a 5 rupee half bundle. That is, it's a opened bundle. You can see starting number is 267 and the last number is 300. Okay, so this is a single half bundle, and inside we have another 1 rupee half bundle. This also you can see it starts at 878 and goes on till 900. So these two are the today's special video. Soon this will be for retail sale on our website. You can check out antiquerelic.in. So that's all guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button.